let's just look at one more tactic. So tactically, again, you might want to keep the pause, you might want to keep the articulation, but how else might you get him to leave? How else might you sort of achieve this cap?
Could be more urgency in what I'm saying, it's more stakes, maybe.
Great, great. So play really high stakes from the very beginning.
Yeah.
So when you say the first line, if he hasn't gone, that prompts you to say the second line.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean to say that you need to sort of scream and shout, but you need to, again, use the tactic of raising the stakes in order to get him to go. And the way that we know that you'd achieved it is that if by the end of the monologue he was still standing there. So if he's still standing there, the character's failed.
Yeah.
So you always play for a win.
Yeah.
So you've got to get him to go. He has to realise that you just don't want him there anymore.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And try and do that in the most fun and playful way that you can.
Yeah.
And that might involve you making him feel, imagining he's feeling really terrible about it. But try and find the fun in that.
Okay.
Okay? Great. To do the same thing we've done before, I'll just say 3, 2, 1, action, and then you can start.
Okay.
Great. Okay? 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old at a birthday party at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. And I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was a fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on, and I didn't know what. And then, all at once, it hit me. And I realised, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried so hard to make it go away, and it didn't. And even when I was going out with boys, when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say anything, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls. And I've always liked girls. And I still like girls. So who are you to tell me that I don't? When I've accepted everything that you've said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am. And why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace it with someone that I don't. Someone that I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man, Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.
Great, thank you.